Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Underground Commission engine review, I'd like to share with you a brand new traffic source that's been discovered by seven-figure earner Jeremy Kennedy. This is Jeremy here on the video. And what Jeremy has discovered, he's discovered what he calls the easiest, cheapest, weirdest, and hidden traffic source that you've probably never ever seen before. Now, the beauty of this traffic, I'm going to take you inside the members area and show you step by step how you can set everything up and generate the results that he's sharing with you. He's getting thousands of clicks with this traffic. He's getting hundreds of subscribers and he's using free tools. And he's also getting a flood of sales on autopilot. So this system that he's using is cheap, simple, and easy to set up. It's going to be autopilot daily traffic once you set the system up. If you're on a tight budget, there's no monthly membership costs. So if you don't want to commit with your traffic to a monthly membership subscription, then this is perfect for that. The affiliate program is absolutely superb. And the affiliate program is where you can earn high ticket affiliate commissions up to $199. Now the beauty of that, I've put here no need to buy, so you don't have to buy the high ticket product and pay this high ticket price to be able to earn these high ticket affiliate commissions. I'll just show you shortly how that works. Now this is perfect for beginners that haven't got an audience. So if you haven't got an email list yet, if you haven't got a social media following, then this is perfect for you. I'm going to show you inside the members area and show you these step-by-step video tutorials. And Jeremy gives you case study proof. He gives you it's live case study proof as he refreshes the page and he shows the clicks, he shows the subscribers, the list building, using free tools. He shows the income and the sales. So it's really a superb system. I'm also going to give you my bonus to help you get underground commission engine for free and potentially get you into profit as an affiliate to start to earn these high ticket affiliate commissions. Because once you become a member of Underground Commission Engine, then you'll be automatically approved to promote the offer as an affiliate. There will be an income and product disclaimer in the description, so I'm not going to make any income claims, product claims, or any guarantees in this video. It is for educational purposes only. So we're going to go to the members area, Underground Commission Engine members area here. And what I want to do is, after I've been inside the members area, I'm going to show you how you can start to earn high ticket affiliate commissions as well. So it's really, really simple. What I like about the members area, Jeremy does the videos himself. Now, what he's doing is in module 1, he's calling it a bird's eye view. So he's showing you, now what he's doing is using what's called PTC websites. If you're not familiar with PTC websites, they've been online for over 20 years and they're called pay to click. Now the reason, one of the many reasons this works is because the members of these pay to click websites, they click on adverts to make money. So that's why they're serious about making money, because they're in a website, they're in a members area where they're already in that mindset of looking and wanting to make money. They've logged in, they're clicking on your ads, and they're making money by clicking on your ads, but they're also going to see what you're promoting in as well. So you're promoting your offers to someone who's got a mindset of wanting to make money and looking to make money, and they are making money by clicking on the ads. Now, he uses Nearbooks as one of the pay-to-click sites. It's been online for over 20 years, but down here, so you just set up a free Nearbooks account here. Now, he's giving you a spreadsheet of some more pay-to-click sites if you want to use some more. And he's using System.io, which is a free system where you can get email subscribers and build your list for free. Now, Module 2 is how you sign up for commissions. All step-by-step tutorials over Jeremy's shoulder. So you can promote this product, Underground Commission Engine, within Nearbooks. And you click here to get your affiliate link. So because you're a member, you'll get automatically approved. And he shows you in this video here how to promote Underground Commission Engine within Nearbooks. The next module is if you want to find other offers to promote. You might not want to promote Underground Commission Engine. So if you don't want to promote that, this whole video here is where you can find other offers to promote as well. And then module 4, this is the key one really. This is how to set up your ads. So video tutorial, step by step, how to set your ads up. And then he's got some case studies. These are live case studies here, where he goes inside the members area. So what he's doing is he's making the money back that he's spending, but in the process, you'll see in this case study here, he goes live and he refreshes his page and shows you the subscribers coming in. And he's getting dirt cheap clicks, 7 cents. So he's getting a subscriber for 7 cents. And just for this case study here, he's got 378 subscribers that he can follow up with. So you're not just getting your money back, but one of the key things about this system is to build an email list. And like everyone always says online, the money is in the list. Build an email list and then you can follow up and make even more money. That's one of the key things about this system. So let's just have a look now at the price. So the price is a one-time $9. And this is what you're going to get. You're going to watch over his shoulder step by step. You're going to watch it in case studies as sales come in. You're going to see all the stats from each of his case studies. So it's really transparent that everything that he's saying to you that he works, he's actually showing you that it does work. You can promote the same offer that he's promoted, and they'll even show you where to find other offers to promote. That's a one-time $9, no monthly membership costs. Let me show you now how you can get this for free, this system. So you'll become an affiliate, and it says here in the top left-hand corner, your affiliate link is. So you're going to get your affiliate link. Now, if you look here, he's put 7 products in the system. Down the left-hand side here, these are the products. And these are the commissions in the right-hand side column here that you will earn if any of your referrals that you refer as an affiliate, if they buy any of these products here, you will earn these commissions in the right-hand column. And there's a commission here for $199. So even if you don't buy any of these, you can if you want to do. If you want to upgrade and get some more value from Jeremy, you can upgrade. But even if you don't upgrade and your referrals do, you will earn these commissions in the right-hand column. So there's a high ticket potential there of $199 one-time payment. Let me show you my bonus that I want to give you. So The link in the description will take you to this page. You click here to join Underground Commission Engine, and as a thank you for partnering with me, I've got a free gift to help you succeed faster. So once you've joined, all you do is you click here to join Proactive Mailer, and that's free. Now it's a safe list mailer, and then what you'll do, I will transfer you into your account 80,000 credits that you can email every single day to the whole database of Proactive Mailer. And then you can potentially you can promote Underground Commission Engine, and then you can potentially, as an affiliate, not only get the product for free, but potentially earn those high ticket affiliate commissions. So join Proactive Mailer here. Now the reason it's called Proactive Mailer, so you just sign up on the left here, is that the owner, Phil, he cleans out this list on a regular basis. So the only members of this safe list mailer, the only members within the database are active members. So you're going to get clicks when you promote Underground Commission Engine. You're going to get clicks, you're going to get opens, and you're going to get clicks. He guarantees that. That's why he calls it Proactive Mailer. It's just for proactive members within the database. So rather than have a huge safe list mailer database of hundreds, 200, 300,000, and only a small percentage are opening those emails, you're going to get active members clicking on your email, opening your emails, and potentially clicking on the email body, and then you can earn those commissions with Underground Commission Engine. And you've got 30 days worth there. You don't have to promote. You can promote other offers as well if you wish to do so. It's your choice. I'm going to give you the credits. I'm going to give you 30 days of free email into the whole database. And then that way you've got the potential to get your Underground Commission Engine not only for free, but potentially get into profit as well. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. That'll help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more how to make money online videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and you get notified of all my uploads here on my channel. So currently on the channel here, I'm doing several new uploads every week. And if you've got any questions or comments, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer those for you. And I always have my email address in the description. So if you'd like to send me an email, I'll reply to you as soon as I can. Or if you'd like any one-to-one mentoring, then just send me an email. I don't charge anything for mentoring. So if you'd like me to mentor you, then send me an email and I'll reply to you as soon as I can. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.